Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
On a big man level still, you know say, out of every nation in the world, Jamaica have the most troll. Oh, you don't know what is a troll? People will just get trouble on the internet. And today, them troll the hell out of Barbados. So yesterday the screenshot went viral where someone is searching on Google asking a question, a matter of fact. Is Rihanna Jamaican? And it turned up that Google have it for say Rihanna is indeed Jamaican. A matter of fact, them have it for say Rihanna born St. Anne. That a Riri without from Barbados. Anyway, Jamaicans take it and run with it. It start trend over Twitter. So it look like said the BHAJANS them realize what go on, and because we thief them star, them try off a full own star, which is Vybz Kartel. So this photo went viral with somebody tweet. In the spirit of the CSME, and that's a Caribbean single market economy, it's only fair we recognize one of our own king amongst men. Petition to have a statue erected in his home district of Deacon's Farm, St. Michael's, Barbados. The one and only Adija Zim Palmer, which is Vybz Kartel. So you know, say the Jamaicans them now go make that rest, people. At first, me see so much meme come out in a one day. Now everybody and their mother either say them see Rihanna somewhere, or see Rihanna take taxi, or see Rihanna. Yo, hold on there. I'm out of place them see Rihanna. But let me take time. So after that went viral and the Rihanna thing start trend, as I say it a trend over Twitter, we see this birth certificate emerge on the internet with Rihanna name upon it. And I say yes, Rihanna definitely born at Jamaica. Then we see a passport for say yes, Rihanna born at Jamaica. And it look like say the BHAJANS them start get upset, yo. So after them say we capture Rihanna like pigeon, them a try Alpha Shelly and Fraser, but I don't know, it now work. Me not see enough meme a go around with Shelly and Fraser. Them a try no, but them can't compete with her wittiness. Them can't compete with her charisma. Them can't compete with her trollness. Is that a word? Well, Chaddy Murray TV just create a word there. You see, them can't compete with we. So we take it a step further, and instead we do some photo meme, we start the video. So people, check out this video of Rihanna performing on Digital Rising Star. Check it out.
Digital. It's a long road when you face the world alone. No one reaches out a hand for you to hold.
Me telling you, say when Jamaicans are do things, them overdo things, yo. Oh, the hell uno get Rihanna up on Rising Star. So people, that's not the only video we go viral. Rihanna did a sing the national anthem as well. So check this out. So people, after that video, I guess the war literally end. Like it end with demolish Barbados. Like every single BHAJANS person supposed to eat right now. And looking at the comment section, because my feel say a pack of them are going in the comment section here and a comment probably negative. I probably dislike the video. But anyway, still, me get to understand say the real reason how the warrior or the feud start. Because you don't know say yo, we and them kind of can't agree now a long while now. Long time we and them not agree. But it's like the one here flare up because they make fun our currency. Like with dollar, cause you know say with dollar comparing to US, it kind of shaky still. Like 130 odd Jamaican dollar to $1 US. I'm trying to find that meme, but up to the time of making this video, I can't find a meme there, so I guess it never that big or never that effective. But definitely, these memes of we capturing Rihanna, it very, very effective and funny, yo. So, Jamaican people, we not have to go no further. You see me? We don't have to go no further. And before me go again, me even see some corporate people are getting on the action because me see Maxi post that picture here where them claim say them see Rihanna in one of them department store, which that was very clever, very clever. Also saw MP for Southwest St. Elizabeth Floyd Green are getting on the action when him upload that photo here and the caption read, okay, since the truth is out there, guess I can now share this pic. Me, Riri and Dex. Hashtag Treasure Beach. Hashtag UEDs. So even him are getting on the action. And people, may I tell you the truth, yo, we really honor somebody for mess with. This person comment and say, Jano, why these Bajans go wake up the dog them? Don't they know Jamaicans will done them for fun? If they know better, they better leg off for Rihanna before we tell them the truth that their flag was inspired by St. Hugh's uniform. Yo. People, me not tell a lie. The war did nice. The war did alright. You see me? So, one thing when I want to ask the viewers them and ask the subscriber them. Because during the war, you know, the BHAJANS them still a try claim some of the icon them, some of the star them. So, Jamaican people start suggest some people where they need to take away. Like, Footer Hype. Why I see Footer Hype name come up whole heap. I see one people tweet say them need to take Star. That is the Star newspaper. So people who comment in the comment section which icon, which public figure you don't want the Bajans them just take. Like we don't want that person there, them can just keep that person there. You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, please tell me in the comment section how you feel about this video and tell me what you think about the whole topic. If you want to troll me or troll Jamaicans, if you are a Bajan watching. Alright, so people, I'm gone. One way. Any other way or the wrong way? Alright?
So, no, that's not Rihanna. So essentially, folks, Rihanna went to school in Jamaica. She was born in Jamaica. Also, it's a Dion Jackson Miller running the team on the dance club line. So apparently Barbados is in New Kingston. That is where she was born. She was also born in all of us. Anyway, that's all the time we have for tonight. Go watch #Rihanna is a Jamaican and have a good laugh.